In this short amount of time, we've managed to design a robot that can respond to vocal commands and have it react to them. At first we were unsure on how to start and struggled with the software, but we experimented with some simple features such as simple voice commands to understand the simple functions of Choreograph. On the first day we set out to learn Choreograph's basics, such as how to move the robot and how to use its vocal commands. We then quickly moved on to adding the main programming for our robot and adding new features to it. Right now the robot can travel to the different continents with just a simple vocal command. It can also be controlled fully with only vocal commands. Examples of this are North America and Europe. We did this by making the robot go to fixed coordinates depending on the continent mentioned. Of course, we also made a separate movement system to act as a potential failsafe just in case our coordinate system failed. This separate movement system responds to commands such as forwards and backwards for fine movement. After some trials, we realised the robot would only execute the given verbal commands once. To fix that, we added a loop to avoid having to reset the robot each time, so we didn't have to run the program multiple times for the robot to move to two different locations. Furthermore, we thoroughly explored the robot's movement features and was happy with the code. We decided to add some more features. One of the features that we thought as a group was to display the continents on the tablet screen of the robot. An example of this, when told to move to Europe, a picture of the European continent would show up on the tablet. This also makes sure that the robot has understood the command correctly, and by showing a picture of the command given by the user. We also made sure that the robot returned to its original position after visiting the continent, so that the manual reset of the position wasn't required. This gives it more accessibility to potentially disabled users who won't be able to manually lift the robot and use it from scratch once again.